Hi guys, we're going to play Five Nights at Freddy's Evolution. Let's get into this. If I can click stuff. Hello? Okay, here we go. Five Nights at Freddy's Evolution. Just look at the menu screen. Can I? Oh, come on. I thought there would be a police there. Anyways, let's go. Child is killed by animatronic. The police are investigating. I'm looking for a night guard. It should say a night guard. Maybe the creator doesn't know English that good, or doesn't English good. I might be sick, but I can still record videos. I have to record because this game just came out like a week ago. So this is Five Nights at Freddy's 2 mixed with Five Nights at Freddy's 1. So what I gotta do is keep this music box wound up, I think. I checked this game out before because I had to re-record it because, as you can tell, I was snuffling a lot. Like snuffling a lot. So I keep this wound up, I think. Like Freddy's nose, he's just adorable. So I don't know why is there an anime poster here? Like, why would there be an anime poster here? And then it's all Five Nights at Freddy's. Wait, what the heck? It's like, right, oh, he's in the hall. I just do this. Because I don't have oxygen in this thing, which would be stupid. But this is Five Nights at Freddy's 2 mixed with Five Nights at Freddy's 1. How? Because, look at Bonnie. He kind of looks like, so he's a noob. I feel like that's a fun time Bonnie, though. Maybe it is. That music box wound up. What the heck is that? When you pull, he's breaking out the door. He's, go. What the heck happened to the puppet? He's like an animatronic thing. Okay, that's wound up. That's good. 2 a.m. and Bonnie is gonna kill me. And that's a Minecraft picture. That is Minecraft. Why are there so many game references? There's Five Nights at Freddy's. Hey. Oh my gosh, that was such a perfect reaction. Literally, that was such a perfect reaction. I knew he was there. Wow, if I didn't pull that up, I would have been screwed. Okay, he's in. Oh, he's not in the hall. When you pull up the camera, it makes this like eat noise, if you can hear it, if you listen really closely. Anyways, Freddy's on. Oh, he's in there. Keep this mask on. Wow, he came quicker this time. Go. So when I hear a vibrate-like noise, boop. Oh, he's in there. Is he? Yeah. Huh? He fully revived. So it's just 3 a.m. Okay, there we go. Put the mask on. Bonnie? I think the music box is going very down. I'm screwed. Oh, there's Bonnie. There's Bonnie. Go. Go, puppet, go. Go. Smack that door. Bam. Okay, I'm scared when it vibrates. It's like the noise. So I saw little screenshots of this game, and this looks absolutely fun. 4 a.m. Bonnie? 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 I want to call it Funtime Bonnie, but that's sister location, and there's not even a Funtime Bonnie either. We see, so that's what all the characters look like. If you look in the right corner, so like how you can use the flashlight while you have the mask on, which is not like Five Nights at Freddy's 2, which is amazing. I'm really liking this game so far. It's gonna be a pain in the butt though. It's still gonna be fun. Like, these animatronics are just wacky, rookie, crazy, wazy. Whatever that means. So when it goes, okay, it should turn 6 a.m. in a few minutes. There you are, Bonnie. Feel me. It's like sister location. Night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4, night 5. Night 6. Oh, he's already moved. That's a fast Bonnie. He is. He's a fast bunny. He's actually, he's supposed to be for hopping. Oh. You see, I knew it. When it goes, when it makes like that Five Nights at Freddy's 2 noise, that's when he's in. Okay, hello. I'm putting this on. I didn't even want the music box all the way up. I'm screwed. Yay! We did it! The night 1 of Five Nights at Freddy's Evolution. That was freaking amazing.
Hello, I am a computer. I am here to pass this image.
I'll do this real quick and then I'll do my outro. What? What do I do? What do I do? This is just a location. What do I do? I don't see any buttons. What do I do? I'm just in front of Fredbear. Fredbear? Is this you? Oh! What? You know what? Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys!